If you would visit the port, like a container terminal, what you typically see is those piles of steel boxes, and they're all the same. And also the way that they're treated, it's all the same. It's a one-size-fits-all solution. However, if you look at all those individual containers, you realize that each has its own story. And each of these containers contains goods which have specific requirements. There might be spare parts in that. It may cause, if they're delivered late, may cause a lot of damage. There are even containers which contain blood samples. So then you even talk about life and death. So perhaps we should differentiate there and see, look, in some cases we can just use the one-size-fits-all or commodity type of treatment, but in some cases we should be able at least to treat containers as if they are made of gold. In the old days, what you would typically say is, we have a barge service, put it on the barge and let's hope it arrives in time. What we now see is that we start with the question, when should it arrive, and let's make sure it arrives in time, and then devise the transportation service around that requirement. If you look at the steel container as a passenger, you realize that each individual container has its requirements, and in order to synchronize constantly the wishes of that passenger with the transportation system, creates new challenges which also need research. We need the development, application and education of academic research. In order to achieve that transfer of academic knowledge, we need to build a collaboration, and we have been able to do that in the shape of SmartPort. My name is Zuidwijk. I want to help build smart ports by treating containers as passengers.